Hi there, this is Ryan, CEO of KHB Construction. Today we want to do a video on how much your bathroom is going to cost to remodel in Tracy, California. When you're thinking about remodeling your bathroom, there's really two roads to go down. The first road being the most cost-effective, highest ROI type of renovation. That's going to be your transitionary home. Transitionary homes mean you're going to be staying there for 5 to 15 years. This is not your forever home. The second avenue of renovation is going to be your forever home. And this is a bathroom that you're going to be staying in for a long, long amount of time, whether that's 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, but we're doing this renovation to be the last renovation you're ever going to need. Starting with the transitionary bathroom remodel, things that are going to drive cost here is mostly aesthetics, as far as moving plumbing locations or really doing an expensive tile or an expensive shower system. We're going to try to keep those costs down as low as possible. Typically, these transitionary bathrooms come out to around $40,000 to $50,000 for a standard hall bathroom. On the other hand, the forever home transformation of your bathroom is gonna be a little bit more expensive, and for good reason. We want this to be the last bathroom you ever remodel. So with that said, we are most likely doing some more upscale finishes in the shower, with the shower glass, the flooring, the custom vanity we're gonna be putting in there. This bathroom is gonna be fit to serve you, designed for you, and it's gonna be the most functional bathroom you've ever been in. So whether you're doing heated floors, Starfire glass, custom cabinetry with some power features, maybe backlit mirrors, LED lighting, there's a lot of amenities you can put in this bathroom. And because of that, these bathrooms typically start off around $60,000, and we've done them for over 6 figures as well. So when you're thinking about these two bathrooms, really think about what you're looking to spend and how long you're gonna spend in this home. If you're not gonna be in this home longer than the next 5 to 10 years, go with the cheaper option, get the highest ROI finishes. If you're looking to stay in this home forever, splurge a little bit, treat yourself. Do that luxury spa bathroom you've always wanted. I hope this brings some clarity on costs, especially out there in Tracy. If you have any questions, please drop us a line. Go to our website, fill out the Get Your Quote form, or just give us a call and we'll talk to you soon.